Kaizer Chiefs won't win anything this season. Ayikho into nizoyithatha khohlwani. Yekani ukuyikhohlisa nisaphethe umdushabalala nizothatha ini. Orlando Pirates is going to scoop everything. Domestic trophy bazothatha kwa league. Yonke into iyahamba this season iya Orlando. And then Orlando Pirates versus Mamelodi Sundowns has become the most important game in South African football. Idabi sesayibheka because isikhule siyibheka mara masikhuluma iqiniso. Pirates versus Sundowns is the biggest game in South African football right now. That said, welcome to it. It's Nkuli versus Mtu. Mina ngumdu ngiphethe uNkuli la uNkuli utheni Kaizer Chiefs stands a better chance of winning the league than the Pirates. Kwenzakalani ngawo?
Orlando Pirates for iminyaka eminingi yahluleka ukuwina, eminingi kakhulu iminyaka yahluleka ukuwina ileague. If khona i-team engeke iwini ileague engana chance iOrlando Pirates, noma bangazama ukuchela phansi basebenzisa intelezi bazama ukudronka amanye amaplayer abana chance ukuthi bawine ileague labantu laba bafowethu. There's zero chances. Best number 2. If khona i-team ezoba number 1, iKaizer Chiefs in a better chance yokuwina ileague than iOrlando Pirates bafowethu. Aselikhulumeni iqiniso. Labantu laba when it matters the most bayashake. Nedbank Cup bangayewina. Okhaling ba specialize ngawo la macup. Amstel Cup bazowathatha wonke. But ileague, the biggest cup competition in South Africa. Ngeke bayinuke.
Ithi ngikutshele ke mina why iKaizer Chiefs ingeke iwina for goal this season. Angidlulanga eTavern before ngizela. Ngiyabona ngathi udlule wathi khahla kancane. iKaizer Chiefs number 1 ayina depth. iKaizer Chiefs ayina striker sikwazi ukora goal. iKaizer Chiefs iwina ngama offside, iwina ngama penalty kungawona ama penalty. iKaizer Chiefs always depends on uRef to get the job done for them. Mawubheka lama coach abo boyithu tactically masibabheka abayazi into abayenzayo. Ungithethe iChiefs izowina basa attacker ngomdushabalala. That's their main number 10. Bazowina baphethe umdushabalala as their main number 10. Bazowina ukhanyisa mayo ku striker abathembele kuso. uDa Silva ushaya ikarati le move ukhahlela abantu bayalimala umbonile umenzeni umloyisana. Do you think labo bantu labo bazowina ileague abazimiselanga abasajwayelanga? I don't even think they'll make it to top 4 this season.
I think iKaizer Chiefs izosurprise abantu abaningi. Yabo iKaizer Chiefs ine chance for izinto eziningi. Siyazi ukuthi kubedile kuKhalling knockout or kubona uma Nedbank, but mawubheka irun yabo yaselikini important kakhulu. Bayawathola ama 3 points lapha. One loss kuphela. So into ekumele siyihloniphe. I mean Orlando Pirates besibhekile vele ukuthi bane chance ukuthi bawine ileague, but ihlezi sibhekile ukuthi bane chance angeke bayiwine. Bane chance kodwa kuyiwina straight ukuthi bayicelebrate nabo abana chance. I-striker sub Evidence Makgopa kawashaya amagoli mfethu. Evidence Makgopa kawashaya. I-best striker ngokuthi uya defend abamthandeli we-great yakho. Kuye wazwaphi i-striker esinganama stats amagoli. So akana chance. Ba rely too much kuma wing abo Rile Mfokeng oswena police. Ama team kumele ahlakaniphe avale Rile Mfokeng athulisa apolice maybe noMuremi then Orlando Pirates ifile because ngeke uwine ngo-Evidence Makgopa ngathola ama 1-on-1 ingaki. Ngeke akore lo amuntu. If khona umuntu esazi ukuthi ngeke akore Evidence Makgopa uzoshayisana nawo uzowaqedelela few but akana chance. Nalento le oyishoyo ukuthi iSundowns is bigger than ilo iSundowns versus Pirates is bigger than Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates. Amanga lawo Brian why? Because of we have to check the numbers. It's all about the numbers. Mawubukela eTV ubheke ibuzz around country yonke ya stop. Akekho umuntu onendaba neSundowns in terms of like ratings and in sebayiwine kakhulu ileague nabo maybe seyababhora. Imatch yabo yes in terms of like egroundini bona badlala ibhola eliphezulu. Ngeke sikuphike lokho but ke Orlando Pirates semuva kakhulu ayina chance eleague mngani wami. If khona into ezoyiwina Orlando Pirates iAmstel Cup.
Okay, asingene lana ke. Ascompare lama team lawo wethu. Chiefs and Orlando Pirates. Spethu Flavio Da Silva.
Okay.
Spethu uKhanyisa Mayo.
Yeah.
Spethu ubani lo munye striker sabo? Igodaro.
Yes.
Ne? Boy 3 against Evidence. Okay, Duba to pre. Boy 5 against Evidence Makgopa.
Yeah.
Who has the most goals in the league right now? Evidence has more goals than Bona combined in the league manje.
Yeah, but
all of them combined. Njengoba wena uthi Evidence Makgopa ayikindaba yakhe. Laba abantu laba bahlangene abakakori amagoli alingana nawo ka Evidence Makgopa labantu laba bahlangene.
Una 4 goals ulingana no Evidence Makgopa and uSilva.
Evidence Makgopa has 5 goals across competitions. Zonke. Ngikhuluma across competitions 5 goals. 5 goals Evidence Makgopa.
uSilva ukorile manje. Ushaya penalty angisho against ilo
So that's the thing. Amaru Silva ukora ama penalty Evidence Makgopa ushaya goal straight.
No.
uSilva mele kuze kuqatsha umuntu and nakhona uSilva kuze mele kuze kulimala umuntu kuze uSilva kore. Evidence Makgopa strike no goal. uEvidence Makgopa uhambile kuAfcon wayenza into ehlule uLyle Foster. Bafana beyisemuva wangena Evidence Makgopa alishapha. Igoli baba. Igoli okusalayo ukorile. Okusalayo ukorile.
How many goals?
Okay.
In the league. udinga istrike esosha more than 10 goals.
Yes.
Evidence Makgopa
He's well on his way.
Uzokushayela i6
which is closer to 10.
Akaza shaya 10 goals ngesizini lo muntu. Why simrate kangaka? Udodo strike aka Evidence Makgopa in the next 2 years siyombona ku National First Division. Yazi the only reason nahleli Orlando Pirates ukuthi ufavor Hugo Bros. Ngaphandle wale ya coach leya ngaba kasekho Orlando Pirates ngathi ngabe udlalela imthatha Bucks lezidlala ku 4th Division. Akusi striker lo muntu lo. Ngabheja ngo Silver. If khona umuntu engabheja ngayo ukuthi uzoba nama goal more than Evidence Makgopa Silver uzomshaya ngama goal and emabheka ama game awadlalile uEvidence Makgopa udlala almost every game but i-contribution yakhe goal on average ukora ama goal ayingakhe.
Okay, ngithemba balaleli niyazwa ukuthi umjida udidekile. uEvidence Makgopa uyakora, Evidence Makgopa uya-assista. Evidence Makgopa is the kind of striker okwazi ukuthi akudonsele i-defense ihlehlele igoli lakaRilebuhile Mfukeng lesithulu phuma kubani ima uRilebuhile Mfukeng lela langa lela nacisha ko rebrace against AmaZulu. Lalela igoli lakhona lalisuka kubani
ndoda
lalisuka kubani
umsebenzi wakho ukuthi udlale.
Okay, ngicela uphendule umbuzo wami. Igoli lakhona lalisuka kubani? Lalingasuka ku-Evidence Makgopa.
Mfukeng akusinali igoli lento yakhe.
Lalela mfethu, lalingasuka ku-Evidence Makgopa yebo noma cha?
Okay, lalela ke. Ngiyayizwa question yakhe. Andingi right.
Yabona ecourt usuyadliwa manje.
Lalela no,
yebo noma cha?
Lalela kuna yebo noma cha.
Yebo noma cha?
Ibhola elatholwa uRile Mfukeng kusho ukuthi la suka kwabanye abadlali beOrlando Pirates nabo kumele sibabale if sobalo Evidence Makgopa ukuthi yena waphasa. La suka kubo Sipho Shane sibale nabo phela. La suka ku midfield
i-assist ebholeni siyipha wonke umuntu noma siyipha lo bene final pass.
Sekuthiwa nama secondary assist sokumele kube ne third assist ke manje third whatever assist ngoba wonke umuntu kumele athola ama assist. Evidence Makgopa indaba yakhe ayikho. Evidence Makgopa kudala kuthiwe Europe bafethu akayi Europe akayindawo. Orlando Pirates uhleli ngoba udlala nje lapha kubafana Hugo Bros yamthemba kuphela. Orlando Pirates bagaqela ukuthi maybe bazokwenza imali serious ngayi ayike team ezomthenga lo muntu loya.
Ayihlali ngabikho team ezomthenga la muntu loya ngoba ubalekile lapha kuOrlando Pirates. Nazwela balekile lapha kuOrlando Pirates.
Khona umuntu abamthandayo. kuOrlando Pirates bangathi uShandu wakuOrlando Pirates bamhlalisile but besazi ukuthi uShandu uyahamba. Bavele bamhlalisa. Akadlali no contribution next. Yabona ku Chiefs into engiyithandayo ukuthi noma ama player amanya fail but bayawanika ama opportunities.
Njengo Ethan Chislett ne. Konje bayamnika opportunity lapha ebenchini ne.
Aggression na physique of the South African game but once wajwayela sombona ukuthi udlala kahle. I think indaba zama climate angisho ingonya yaseNgilandi uzongena with Chelsea ubheke ushinga ke nase somnike opportunity ukuthi adlale this weekend. Bukelani bafethu.
Kaizer Chiefs izofika kwi-final ye-Confed Cup kodwa ngeke baze bayithathe. Naleyo final bazofika ngamalaki goal. uAiden McCarthy melaza yoba i-striker kuze Kaizer Chiefs ikoro ngoba iKaizer Chiefs ayinasi striker esifana noEvidence Makgopa ukuthi makangakori uyakwazi ukuthi acreate labanye. I-strikers zeKaizer Chiefs izikhona lapha for the sake of being there. Kwasho wena Mselufu ngokhanyisa mayo mbekela ukufaka amacici ku-Instagram. Yini akayenzile for iKaizer Chiefs and what has Evidence Makgopa done for Orlando Pirates? Yini uFlavio da Silva yenzile for Chiefs? What has Evidence Makgopa 5 goals kuphi ngoba bekashaya ikarati lapha emuva. Iphumile Chiefs kunamhlanje. Iphumile namhlanje kuNedbank Cup icup abalwine ngephutha. Ebekumele ukuthi bayidefend abaphumile ngenxa kaFlavio da Silva. Baphumile ngenxa kaMdusha Balala. Don't ever mention ama striker weChiefs noEvidence Makgopa in the same breath.
Ngeke sijudge ama player 1-1 yabo. I think into ekumele ibalekile kakhulu bafethu ngeke sijudge ukuthi usibani kanje usibani kanje. Kumele sibajudge bonke as a team. Into engichaza uKaizer Chiefs njengoba ushilo igoal awazi unpredictable. Awazi ukuthi lizofika lizoza ngubani.
No, awazi nokuthi bazokora na. Awazi nokuthi bazokora na.
Shayela amagoli ubani kuPirates okora as defender akekho ngoba bonke babheke Nkosi yami uRile Mfukeng
Nkosi yami
ngamagoli lo
sibukela iPirates e1
uMakhathi sikashaya amagoli ayi2 eza umuntu ongadlali nokudlala kakhulu.
Okay,
uma kaya phambili uyambona uma aerial balls ugood nina nosibizi libone siyema okwazi ukukora outside the box. Umbekezeli Mbokazi oqeda kuhamba bekakora outside the box. Lalela ithi nqede ama player weOrlando ama defender weOrlando Pirates are more solid than ama defender weKaizer Chiefs. Asikhulume ngegame, asikhulume ngokudefender, covering back, being involved kuma set pieces. Thina asidingi ukuthi kuze kuyokora defender kuze Pirates ikore goal. Orlando Pirates ama attackers wethu ayakora. We always count kuma attack good akora. Ebholweni i-defenders there to defend. Your sole responsibility as a defender is to defend. You take it upon yourself to score. Your responsibility as a striker is to score.
Man, you take it upon yourself to score.
Why you beg inside in a lot of man? Your sole responsibility as a defender is to defend. And then what about this striker Evidence Makgopa? your sole responsibility is to score goals. Awukori ndoda. I-team angiyazi le team mina le Orlando Pirates ngokusinda labantu laba baphatha umuthi egroundini baphatha ijumba amaqanda njalo ama team ayasindela amabadlala nabo. Ngeke ngirespect mina i-team yamaqanda FC umuthi FC ngicindezela abantu every game nini. Andlali fair ayikho fair game. Siyazi ukuthi noma ungabelievele emuthini bafethu but lento le yacindezela. Orlando Pirates yasirob. Ayikho indaba le team le kumnyama badlala ngomuthi abantu abamnyama hey yonke into kudark ngeke bayithola ileague
bafethu ebholeni ayikho team engasebenzisi umuthi sonke siyazi ukuthi ebholeni kusetshenziswa umuthi even former players ze Kaizer Chiefs bayakhuluma ukuthi inkinga ukuthi basaba ukuthi bazokunezinto ezizokwenzakala kubo but every player will tell you na ku Kaizer Chiefs imithi yasetshenziswa kunamabhavu afakwayo lapha sekuukuthi isintu sithi awukhiwa ndawone awumbewa ndawone kusho ukuthi umuntu wePirates ustrong ukudlula weKaizer Chiefs that's why namhlanje ba complain abathi umuthi FC umuthi weKaizer Chiefs awukho strong their biggest wish ukuthi batshontshe umprofit wethu bamise lapha eNaturena bapha amaqanda bakwazi ukuwina ayikho indaba yeKaizer Chiefs ayikho into abazoyiwina the season it's a mediocre team by number 3 bazikhohlisa ngokuthi bazowina ayikho into abazoyina
eAfrica sikhumbula ukuthi abekho eAfrica when we talk about continental football abekho eAfrica labantu badlala local ba round abo Masoweto next week badlala kuphe Bloemfontein next week badlala ePE next week badlala leQumbu bafowethu thina sidlala boma Egypt eCairo uyayizwa lento ayikho indaba yeOrlando Pirates bafethu local
there's a first time for everything Nkululeko there's a first time for everything nani anike nijwayela ama passport ama player akasebenza yazi yayibhlungu lento lokuthi Kaizer Chiefs mayidlala nayidlala locally la ekhaya nokuthi bawine kumele kuba ama offside ama goal angakhanda zwiseni inambeni nene Africa but to show ukuthi anijwayelanga ukudlala eAfrica kwaye Africa self you are struggling to score goals
Orlando Pirates ithenga ama player 30 yahluleka ukuhlala ku Champions League bathenga ama player we league yonke league Orlando Pirates bahluleka ukuhlala ku CAF Champions League the biggest cup competition baphuma babhekeni iCarling knockout
the biggest competition okuthi Pirates ikeyayina the biggest competition Kaizer Chiefs has never played more than 5 times each time mabadlala baphuma before kufika na kuma knockout stages bafike ku final ka 1 ukubonisa ukuthi bebangajwayelanga badliwa uPitso Musimani obekangakadlali 5 games nala wayiphanisha iKaizer Chiefs wayiphanisha okusala iKaizer Chiefs yahluleka iKaizer Chiefs ukunika ngeke iKaizer Chiefs ayazi ukukho ngeCAF namanje njengoba balapha bangene ngenhlanhla lapha ku CAF bafethu ningavuma uNkululeko andide Kaizer Chiefs is just another team in the PSL khona manje the biggest teams in the PSL iOrlando Pirates neMamelodi Sundowns that's why that game is more important le game leyana will tell us ubani ozowinilika iDerby sesodlala for the sake of playing it for entertainment kumanje eliphi 2K elazi Kaizer Chiefs more than iMamelodi Sundowns ama 2000 afevi Sundowns o Pirates ama 2000 alandela umfukeng balandela uTebogo Mokweni ababazi okhanyisa mayo nabo banibani Kaizer Chiefs in the next 20 years the biggest football game in the next 20 years will be Orlando Pirates versus Mamelodi Sundowns. I'll make you an example. Atletico Madrid medlala neReal Madrid. That's the real derby. Maidlala ne Barcelona kuyona derby El Clasico. Pirates versus Sundowns is the El Clasico. It's the El Clasico of South African football. El Clasico of South African football is Mamelodi Sundowns versus Orlando Pirates. Masitshelling eChiefs ne Pirates. Mina futhi derby kahle iderby njoba ama ticket derby are sold out abantu abadala. Akunane 2001 lezokutshela le stadium mara Wednesday zoba sigcwele intwana sidlala kuma development intwana ezifuna ukudlala professional yazi bafuna ukubuka ipresident bafuna ukubuka umshishi bafuna ukubuka uTebogo Mokweni abanandaba nabo Chistet abadala abanandaba futhi nabo umdusha abalala ukuthi makabhekane nepala 991 boom ayikhabiyele
I think ina into ecindezela iKaizer Chiefs mina ngizoyimela la into ecindezela ama player weKaizer Chiefs ukuthi angaperformi kakhulu ukuthi ibuzz leya online uthando from abantu angithi it's the biggest team in the country bonke ba famous than bonke abantu Orlando Pirates iKaizer Chiefs is bigger than iSundowns Orlando Pirates nama team okuphesela wonke ahlangene because you have to check the numbers you know the numbers better than an average South African go online and check what's happening go check viewership and then tell me ukuthi team yakho lelo ya egroundini inawo nama number yonke Orlando Pirates yonke into ifuna ngenkani ngeforced
uRilebohile Mofokeng is bigger than the whole Kaizer Chiefs squad.
Bamholela 30,000 uRilebohile Mofokeng. Uyahamba. 30,000 salary.
Why mina makumele ngipheka? Why mina makumele ngipheka ungene umlume?
Shisa ungapheki, shisa.
Wangena umlume.
Shisa amabhoda.
Angishisa makheke ngibhaka nice njengoRis Madlisa. Uza mina ngithini? Relebohile Mofokeng I1 is bigger than the whole Kaizer Chiefs squad. I won. Urilebohile Mofokeng is bigger than the Kaizer Chiefs, the brand itself. Go anywhere in the country, man. Jubabuzisud namazi Urilebohile Mofokeng. Akekho umuntu ongamazi Urilebohile Mofokeng.
Every team is not bigger than umntwana edlala ku DDC team e Kaizer Chiefs.
Abantwana lento
uVilakazi before afika uVilakazi u-first team e Kaizer Chiefs ikhantri yonke besiyimazi. That's why because of uKaizer Chiefs. Urile Mofokeng besithi uRathoma. Mama uthi uRathoma bathi umfukeng ubani loyo? Ba confuse abantu. Ba confuse. But maku Kaizer Chiefs DDC ushisa khona. Already abantu bayakwazi. Umanqoba ozomena. I'm sure uma ubheka pound to pound ubheka ama numbers nama stats uyabona ukuthi there's a difference. Go online and check the numbers. Besides nje kuba online. That is why Kaizer Chiefs they are able to sell i-brand yabo. I-Orlando Pirates bayasiforsa kuma brand.
I-Pirates ayidingi nokuba namazimba kuze yaziwe. Kaizer Chiefs isithengisa namazimba kuze yaziwe. Isithengisa namazimba kuze yabona the only thing nini wina kuyo khona manje kuse Shell Garage kuse Total Garage engine garage ngalamazimba wena. Iyokuphela into eniwinayo kule season. Iyokuphela into enesizini.
Ngeke amathima wine.
Bafethu nani niyazibonela each time makumele ukuthi ngingene abafuni ngingene because mina ngiphethe ama facts. Mina ngiarguing ama emotions. Mina ngiphethe ama facts.
Akekho umdlalo ofuna ukudlalela Orlando Pirates because bayazi ukuthi bazokublock ukuthi uhambe. Makumele uhambe uDeko Modisa zange ahambe. uThembi Nkosi Lodwa ahamba kabuhlungu. Ama player amaningi lapha udlalela. Uwasona police masani neOrlando Pirates ngithi wenzani lo mfana? Ufuna ukuphelele Orlando East. Dan sign hamba ku Kaizer Chiefs bazokuthengisa overseas bonke ama player afuna ukuhamba odiqhokwe ongezana bahamba kamnandi urile Mofokeng kuna 10 years bamfune eEurope Orlando Pirates awinda umele uswine le league ngenkani udlalela i-team enjalo Rile Mofokeng come on
Umhawu Nkotha uhambile less than 6 months Mbekezeli Mbokazi uhambile less than 2 seasons Andile Charlie at the peak of his career Orlando Pirates yamdedela wahamba iOrlando Pirates ayihambisi average players ngicela ungibalela ama player i5 we Kaizer Chiefs ahambile aya phesheya and then they retired and made a good living phesheya uTsovilakazi the best player Orlando Pirates all time goal scorer iOrlando Pirates yamdedela wahamba wayoshayina eBelgium inkinga ngeOrlando Pirates asithatha ama player wethu sibasendele ku Israel asithatha ama player wethu sibasendele lena le ihambisa ama player wayise
I-blockade usale manje ku Sundowns Orlando Pirates ngathi ithengisela i-development ye Sundowns ama player the face of Orlando Pirates they block once you become the face of Orlando Pirates back block ukuthi ungahambi and then nguna 32 bakuthengisela i-Sundowns kusami ngoba yibe izoba rescue abanamali yokuthenga ama player abanamali yokubhadala ama player alikho iplayer lisuka ku Sundowns le ku Orlando Pirates but wonke ama face of Orlando Pirates urile Mofokeng i-future yakhe ku Sundowns not ku Pirates
yabona balaleli
ku Sundowns
yabona balaleli masizo debate singenawo ama facts again Wayne Sunderland wasuka ku Sundowns weza ku Orlando Pirates
you look back
Siphombule wasuka ku Sundowns weza ku Orlando Pirates
ungayikhothi mahala
if you look back from the days the NPSL maningi ama Orlando Pirates nama Mamelodi Sundowns have always had ama exchange dala bayenza lento le
back Orlando Pirates
yabona debate ngebhola lase South Africa nama 2000 kwenzakala so umuntu oqala ukubheka ibhola manje 2005 ukhuluma kanje this is the reason why you can't debate football nomuntu oqala ukubhekelela ibhola after igeneration yabo Chisboy oqala ukubheka ibhola khona manje makudlala uTshepo Masilela lapho ku Kaizer Chiefs you can't tell me ngehistory Kaizer Chiefs was uTshepo Masilela was uSphiwe Shabalala masingambuza ngama player acacile ofani Madida Oscar Athindo ama player adlala before Kaizer Chiefs became what it is now the most successful Kaizer Chiefs team akayazi so ma supporter wekhosi akuso wenu lo uya pretender ningambona kanje deep down inside black and white ama 2000 ahamba ne Pirates ne Sundowns
okay lalelani bafethu Orlando Pirates yes ngiyayihlonipha as the team ngokuthi ya 1937 but indala nje mali Orlando Pirates but in terms of ukuthi ishintshe impilo zabantu impilo yakhe ngeke ishintshe ku Orlando Pirates ngoba everything imnyama nenhliziyo yabantu bakhona zimnyama inhliziyo zalabantu lapha ayikho into ezoshintsha ku Orlando Pirates ngifuna ukuyichaza lento uErasmus wasuka ku Orlando ku Sundowns waya ku Pirates 50% imali yakhe yehla isalary 50% akunamali lapha bathi dlalela ibadge no Rile Mofokeng ukhathela umntana wabantu bathi dlalela ibadge nobaba khuyakhala baba kufuna i-double story bathi dlalela ibadge 30,000 imali ibekele eceleni once wathola injury one kuphelile ngecareer yakho bathi dlalela ezimnyama kumnyama badlala ngomuthi ababhadali akekho umdlalo umuntu ofuna ukushintsha impilo yakho ya ku Orlando Pirates unless if ufuna ukuwina i-calling knockout uzoyiwina kuyiwina kodwa imali ngeke ube nayo ama player angiliki iplayer leOrlando Pirates engilaziyo mina la builder something yakwazi ukumsustain why bekumele uye ku Sundowns before I retire
again balaleli ukudebate ibhola ne2000 kwenzakala so Lucky Likhwati has properties Lucky Likhwati unama restaurant
Happy bebamdonatela ngeCovid bebamdonatela ngerestaurant yaseSoweto
bafethu again
bafethu if ngiqala ibusiness ukuthengisa amakote emkhukwini ngisuccess na
again Lucky Likhwati has properties Lucky Likhwati une restaurant Happy Jele uku logistics Happy Jele unama truck
the biggest star ku Orlando Pirates the longest serving player ku Orlando Pirates but he was underpaid was not even top 100 of ama players waku PSL but wafika ku Orlando Pirates ngo 1942 but maka retire imali yakhe still bengahlakaniphanga bese naye afuna ukudlalela uTS Galaxy Nkosi yami uMazulu ukuthi akwazi ukuboosteka why ayikho imali kubhani but Orlando Pirates kumele siyivale phela lento bafethu ngeke sigijime kuze kube kusasa ileague ngeke bayibone bazoyinuka bazocishe bayithathe bona kodwa bazofinish as number 2 permanent position yabo
Orlando Pirates iyodla iSundowns next week on the 18th on the 28th idle iKaizer Chiefs this Saturday Orlando Pirates iyoshaya iMarumo Gallants and then Orlando Pirates is going to be 9 points clear of Mamelodi Sundowns then focus on a Nedbank ithathe neNedbank Cup Orlando Pirates this season is going to win everything Orlando Pirates is the best team in the league right now never ever debate football ne2000 ngoba kabalazi
njengoba sesiyivala bafethu ibest team in the country kumele iwin ileague Orlando Pirates ihleli number 1 ibanjisiwe kule opposition le izokwehla uyabona mawule phezulu nje kubheke kanje ike yahlala ku number 1 last season ama players wakhona they not even big abo Patrick Maswanga babaculela ingoma ukuba manje bamculela kuma grandstand uSipho Mbuli bayamshayinisa bathi is the biggest star in the country kanjani indoda ekora ne team yaku 4th 5th 3rd division abantu abasebenza ku retail mabaqeda ukudlala bakhumula ama Cox baye ku retail uSipho Mbuli bamsele but is back Sipho Mbuli is back ukora against TTM bafowethu wakora ku friendly kubafana against iZambia iplayer le Pirates le they view Sipho Mbuli as generational talent but zero contribution your Orlando Pirates that's Orlando Pirates for you ibranding yabo ngiyayihlonipha ngoba ihamba nomuthi phakathi angisakhulumi
iKaizer Chiefs iyahamba yo scout ama player kuma Phillies game bahamba ba scout ama player kulama tournament waseKasi that's why you have Mdusha Balala who's played 100 games akakakori more than 20 goals for iKaizer Chiefs Mfundo Vilakazi is approaching 50 games what has he done for iKaizer Chiefs khona manje into abayazi ukusayina ama reject that's why they are after Tsegofatso Mabasa that's why back behind closed doors bafuna ukukhuluma no Kabelo Dlamini Orlando Pirates ba donate lo Paseka Mako yaba donatela no Thabiso Munyane Kaizer Chiefs sonke siyazi ayikho indaba yabo bafethu siyayivalala Thank you Cerealist breakfast it's ready for you to eat asambe so Tatilik Danko
Nkuliso bafethu ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe and make sure ukuthi page liyakhula liba bigger and greater Kaizer Chiefs izoyithatha ileague